Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for an exciting journey back in time? We're going to learn all about dinosaurs. Let's go! Dinosaurs were amazing reptiles that lived on Earth millions of years ago, way before people. They ruled the land for over 160 million years. Can you imagine? That's a long time. Dinosaurs lived in 3 time periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The most famous dinosaurs, like T-Rex and Triceratops, lived in the Cretaceous period. Not all dinosaurs were the same. Some were meat-eaters called carnivores, like the mighty T-Rex. Others were plant-eaters called herbivores, like the tall Brachiosaurus. And some ate both meat and plants, called omnivores. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes. Some were huge, like the Brachiosaurus, which was as tall as a 4-story building. Others were tiny, like the Compsognathus, which was as small as a chicken. And guess what? Some dinosaurs had feathers. Scientists believe that some dinosaurs may have looked more like big birds. Around 66 million years ago, something big happened. A giant meteor crashed into Earth, causing earthquakes, volcanoes, and huge clouds of dust. This made the Earth too cold for dinosaurs to survive. But wait, not all dinosaurs disappeared. Some small dinosaurs evolved into birds. That means your pet parrot might be a dinosaur's great-great-great-great-grandchild. Did you know? Some dinosaurs hatched from eggs, just like chickens. And the Stegosaurus had a brain as small as a walnut, even though it was as big as a car. That's all for today. Which dinosaur is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time, little explorers.